Akiaria hindi ya kuruguria mahenya ma kwihaririria ni undu wa muthi wa kuririkana makinya maria matacukitio hari kuhurana na murimu wa mukingo guku bururi-ini, mwandiki mukaru ministry-ini ya ugima wa mwiri ndagitari OUMA OLUGA augite gicunji kinene kia aria magwatirwo ni murimu uyu mwaka muhituku ni mbeu njithi kuona manyitiriire gicunji kia 41 hari 100. Na ona gutuika ugwatania guku bururi-ini ni ucokete thi na gikiro kia 72 hari 100, thirikari yugite bururi urio haraya kuhotana bara igie gukinyia muthia ugwatania wa murimu uyu gugikinyiria mwaka wa 2030.
Perhaps because they were not shown those bad images, perhaps because the society has changed, perhaps because of the vulnerabilities that we have in the economy or the vulnerabilities that we have culturally, perhaps because we haven't done enough. And what we have to remove is that not doing enough.
Ihinda-ini riu gikundi kia ateng'eri kuma thireti Kenya ni moritie aria mari na murimu uyu kurumirira motaro ma ataramu megie minyuire ya dawa guku makihinyiriria muingi kwaga guthutukania aria mari na murimu uyu.
Take 250,000 in the first categories, that is in the half marathon, and also 100,000 in 10 kilometers, as well as the wheelchair category.
Why we propose that? Because the government continues to provide ARVs and prevention commodities free of charge. If these other conditions like non-communicable diseases, hypertension, diabetes can be covered by the SHA.
Mataririe ihenya riri rigatabanio muthia-ini wa mweri uyu na ni ria guteithiriria muingi na makiria mbeu njithi kugia na utauku mwega wa murimu uyu o hamwe na kumatara njira cia kwigitira.
Part of the elite runners who have joined today in this event will be taking part for the event on 30th.
Since 1984, we have lost over 2 million Kenyans due to AIDS-related illnesses. On this day also, we recommit to care, to taking care, keeping in treatment the almost 1.35 million Kenyans who are living with HIV. And also we recommit to make all efforts to end new infections.
Hamwe na uguo thirikari ni yuritio gutigirira arwaru a murimu uyu matiranyamarika kumana na wagi wa dawa cia kuguithia maruru maguo. Kiribotera Kameme TV, Getwo wa Mbui wa Njuguna.